Welcome to I Love English TV.
مرحباً بكم أصدقائي. في هذا المقطع سنأخذكم في رحلة ممتعة مع كلمات إنجليزية جديدة. سنكتشف معاً معانيها ونستخدمها في جمل بسيطة وسهلة. تعلم، كرر، واستمتع بتطوير لغتك خطوة بخطوة. فلنبدأ الآن، ولا تنسوا أن المعرفة متعة. Empty. The bottle is empty. The bottle is empty. Full. The glass is full. The glass is full. Shiny. Her shoes are shiny. Her shoes are shiny. Foggy. It's foggy this morning. It's foggy this morning. Wet. My shirt is wet. My shirt is wet. Wooden. This is a wooden table. This is a wooden table. Ice. Put some ice in the drink. Put some ice in the drink. Box. I opened the box. I opened the box.
Slice. She slices the bread with a knife. She slices the bread with a knife. Stir. He stirs the soup slowly. He stirs the soup slowly. Boil. They boil water for tea. They boil water for tea. Fry. I fry eggs every morning. I fry eggs every morning. Pour. She pours milk into the cup. She pours milk into the cup. Bake. We bake a cake on Sunday. We bake a cake on Sunday. Mix. He mixes flour and sugar. He mixes flour and sugar. Chop. I chop the onions for lunch. I chop the onions for lunch. Peel. She peels the banana slowly. She peels the banana slowly. Serve. They serve food at the table. They serve food at the table. Butter. He puts butter on the bread. He puts butter on the bread. Tasty. The soup is tasty and hot. The soup is tasty and hot. Milk. I drink milk at night. I drink milk at night. Dry. The towel is dry now. The towel is dry now. Turn on. Please turn on the light. Please turn on the light. Turn off. Turn off the fan before bed. Turn off the fan before bed. Comb. She combs her hair every morning. She combs her hair every morning. Bread. We eat bread with cheese. We eat bread with cheese. Rice. He cooks rice for dinner. He cooks rice for dinner. Spoon. I need a spoon for the soup. I need a spoon for the soup. Fork. She eats salad with a fork. She eats salad with a fork.
Salt. He adds salt to the food. He adds salt to the food. Dirty. The floor is dirty now. The floor is dirty now. Sweep. She sweeps the kitchen floor. She sweeps the kitchen floor. Mop. I mop the floor after lunch. I mop the floor after lunch. Mirror. She looks in the mirror. She looks in the mirror. Basket. He puts clothes in the basket. He puts clothes in the basket. Loud. The music is too loud. The music is too loud. Soft. His voice is soft and calm. His voice is soft and calm. Hard. The rock is very hard. The rock is very hard. Rub. She rubs the table with a cloth. She rubs the table with a cloth. Blind. The man is blind and needs help. The man is blind and needs help. Blood. There is blood on his hand. There is blood on his hand. Body. The body is strong and healthy. The body is strong and healthy. Candle. She lights a candle at night. She lights a candle at night. Count. The boy counts to 10. The boy counts to 10. Knock. He knocks on the door twice. He knocks on the door twice. Pull. Please pull the door to open it. Please pull pull the door to open it. Plug in. Plug in the charger now. Plug in the charger now. Unplug. Unplug the fan before cleaning. Unplug the fan before cleaning. Scroll. I scroll down the page slowly. I scroll down the page slowly. Charge. He charges his phone every night. He charges his phone every night. Lock. Lock the door before you leave. Lock the door before you leave. Rest. She rests after working hard. She rests after working hard. Sneeze. He sneezes because of the dust. He sneezes because of the dust. Blink. She blinks when the light is bright. She blinks when the light is bright. Fall. He falls off the chair. He falls off the chair. Lift. I lift the box with care. I lift the box with care. Carry. She carries a heavy bag. She carries a heavy bag.